So, magkano ba sumakay sa streetcar ng Sapporo or dun sa tram? So, for adults, ang pamasahe ay 200 yen and for kids, 100 yen. Fixed fare to, so regardless on where you're going, parehas ang babayaran mo. Pero kids 6 years old and below are free. Ngayon, kung madaming beses mo planong sumakay sa streetcar, puwede kang bumili ng one day unlimited pass. It cost 500 yen for adults and 250 yen for kids. So, puwede ka sumakay only sa streetcar for 24 hours. During holiday, meron silang the Sanko Pass which costs 370 yen for adult and one child. So, it's available on weekends and holidays. You can buy this at the tram. Yun lang, I hope this helps. Don't forget to use my promo code KLOOKNIKI to get up to 5% off on your Klook bookings. Like, follow, and share!